Good morning, students. Today we will see how to create the line chart. We had already seen the different types of chart of PyPlot modules. For creating the chart, we will be using the PyPlot modules of Matplotlib libraries. So first of all, let us see how to create the line chart. PyPlot module has the plot function for creating a line graph. The function name is plot, which is used for create the chart. Okay, so there are two methods for creating the graph or for creating the chart. One is the plot function itself, and the second function is show method. Method is also known as the function, so don't worry about that. So plot and show, these are the two methods for creating the line chart. Using plot function, the graph or chart will be plotted, and using the show function, that graph which is plotted, that will be display onto the screen with the help of show function. So these two are used for creating and showing a simple chart. Simple chart means the line chart. Okay. So the plot method is used to draw a line chart. Line chart, what is line chart? As I told you in the last video, as line chart or line graph shows the result in the form of lines, and to create a line graph we need x and y coordinates. As you simply create the any sort of chart onto the graph paper, we need x and y coordinates. So here also we will pass the two arguments for x coordinate and for the y coordinates into the function plot. Once again, plot function we will pass two arguments at least for creating the chart. One is for the x coordinates and another is for the y coordinates. As it is mentioned over here, how this function, this is the plot function, is the function of which module? The PyPlot module. So we will specify pyplot.plot xy, or if we have created the namespace or the alias or the identifier for the PyPlot, then if the name of the identifier is plt, then we will be using plt.plot and x comma y the same way. If you haven't created the identifier, then directly you can write pyplot.plot. For example, as I told you, to work on the chart you need to import the libraries PyPlot module. So that is why the very first statement that you are going to write for creating the line chart is, or for any kind of chart, is import matplotlib.pyplot. This you need to by heart it. Import matplotlib.pyplot. Simply matplot as plt you are not supposed to write. You have to add its module also using the dot operator. Okay. And then we will specify the value for the x coordinate as well as value for the y coordinate, as I have specified with the help of two variable a and b. And this both the variable a as well as b, I have given the value in the form of list. Okay. So 10, 20, 30, 40 is the list. Second is also another list. B is also another list. So this a and b value we are going to provide according to the syntax as the x coordinate and for the y coordinate. So the value of a will be drawn as an x coordinate and value of b will be drawn onto the graph as a y coordinate. And at last we will write plt.show to display the graph onto the screen. The graph will be automatically created and it will display it. How it will be done? Let us see in the IDLE. So let us move to the IDLE. Yes, as you can see here, import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. This is the script mode I have written the program, and a and b, that's same value I have provided over here. Then plt.plot a comma b, plt.show. This is the very simple line for creating a very simple graph. So let us run this one and see how it will be created. Yes, as you can see, the another window with figure 1 title has opened up in front of your screen. So whenever you will work on the PyPlot, the this particular window as figure 1 will be pop up. to show the graph. This is one of the line chart. As you can see, the value of this very line, this means x coordinate will have the value as a and y coordinates value will be of value b. So in that way, this line chart is automatically created, and by default the color of the line chart will be blue. We will see in the next topic how this color would be changed, and if more effects you want to apply onto the graph, suppose you want to create the labels for the y-axis, the label for the x-axis, then you want to change this line chart. You don't want to create this line chart with a simple line, some specific design you want to display in the form of this line chart. That can also be done with the help of this PyPlot modules. Okay, so this is one of the line chart, or you can say the very simple chart using the plot function we had drawn onto the screen. So let us move to the another topic of the PyPlot. So now we will see how to specify the x-axis value and the y-axis value. So if we want to label the x-axis, which is the horizontal axis, and the y-axis, which is the vertical one, then we will use the function. The name of the function is x label bracket open and close and y label bracket open and close respectively. That means that x label to provide the value for the x-axis and y label function to provide the value for the y-axis. How it will be done? In the form of example. Now I have created the another value for a and b, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, the x coordinates, b 65, 198, 170, and these are the values for the y coordinates, and we have used the function x label, plt.x label under the bracket overs, means the horizontal axis will have the value overs, and for the y label, which is the y coordinates, it will display the value as run scored. So in the previous case, nothing was coming in x axis and in the y axis, but this time using the x label function and y label function, we will see the different values for x label as well as for the y label. And another thing that you want to do, suppose you want to make the title for your graph, then we will use the function title. Here capital P should not be there, it should be small p, plt, p should be small, by mistake it is typed over here. So plt.title, title is the name of the function to give the title for the graph, and that title is overwise run scored, and in the next line it will come India versus England, and then after we have used the function plot AB, and then after the plot show. So these two statements or script is must for creating the graph. So what is the minimum requirement for plotting the graph? This is the first line, x value, y value, then plot, and then show. This four statements is must for creating a simple graph, and this and rest are the optional. If you want to give the x values, x label, y axis, y label, title, and many more are there that we will see in the next slide. So you have to remember x label, y label, title. Till now we have used the three more function of the PyPlot module. Next we will see how to change the line color. As you had seen, the blue color was coming, that I had told you that that color can be changed, along with width of the line can also be changed. If you want to display the more thicker line or more thin line, or thin line, that can also be changed. And the line style, in the previous case we had seen the simple line was coming, that line style can also be changed. So how it will be changed? Just see the coding. So the same way, import matplotlib.pyplot as plt, and then you have written a value and the b value, same value I have taken, x label, y label, the same will be there, title, and the line which I have added new over here is about the line color, line width, and the line style. So as you can see here, that PLT dot plot A comma B is the x as y value coordinates, and R. Here R I have specified after the comma. So this is the first argument of the plot. This one is the second argument. Minimum requirement for plotting is this two argument, and additional requirement according to the question. If the questions will be to change the line color or line style or line width, then accordingly we will be using the attribute. Otherwise there is not at all any requirement. If question asks, then only. But you need to know how it will be changed. So R stands for, here R is the color code, and this color R mentioned for the red color. Okay, G stands for, small g stands for green, Y stands for yellow, and B stands for blue. Okay, there are many color code is specified in the book. You can see in the form of table it has been displayed. So you can refer to the book for the different color codes. So R stands for the red color. The line width, this specifies the thickness of the line graph. The line which will be drawn onto the graph will be of how much thickness? It will be 4. It can be more than that or it can be less than that. We will see in the practical. Okay, and then after the next argument is line style. So this line width is to change the width of the line, and the line style. We had seen the very simple line drawn onto the graph. If you want to change that style of the line, that can be also changed with the help of the different set of values. So here I have mentioned dashed. So dash means the line will produce in dash 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 mode. Okay, and at last PLT dot show. So here you can see in the plot function we have used so many arguments for changing the different set of styles of the graph. So you can see here line width for changing the width, and line style as to change the style of the line. Next we will see about to change the marker type, size and color. So you should know first of all what is marker. So marker are the data points which is being plotted on graph oblique chart. So it is the data points that you mention onto the graph. Now dot 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 you are doing and you are encircling that very dot. So that is known as the marker. So here also marker can be specified using the marker arguments. Okay, so you can see here starting from here till the here it is the same coding. Whatever changes, whatever marker type, size and color can be specified using this very script, in this very line. So PLT dot plot was whatever argument you will specify for setting the different set of styles of the graph, all the arguments must be given under the plot function. So I am not using any of the argument either in X label or Y label or show. Show will remain blank. Without the argument it will be there, but to specify the different set of styles for the graph you will be using the plot function. So you can see here A and B, X and Y coordinates, marker equal to plus. So wherever the data points will be there, it will be changed with the plus symbol. Marker marker size will specify as 10, and marker age color equal to B. B is the color code. B stands here as blue. That can be changed according to your wish. Okay, and then PLT dot show. So this is about how to create the labels, how to give the titles, marker size, marker styles, and of course the line color as well as the different line styles. So all these we will see in the form of IDLE. Let us move to the IDLE. So here you can see as import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. A equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, the same value for the over for the runs. Means in 10 overs the run will be 65, 20 overs, 98 run, 30 overs, 170 and so on. Just an example. X label over specified, Y label runs score, title overwise runs scored, that will be displayed as a title of the graph, and then after in the next line it will display India versus England. And then after plt dot plot a comma b, r stands for the line color, line width equal to 4, line style equal to dashed. As I have told you, there are different set of color code mentioned in the book. So if you want to see the different sort of line style, that can also you can refer to the book, that can also be changed, and you can refer to the book what are the different set of line style, what are the different values for the line style, as I have mentioned dashed here. So as a comment I have written, the line style can be solid, it can be dash dot, or it can be dotted. So I will tell you how this other line style would be changed. So let us see about the output first of all. So you have to focus about the line color. See, the line color is of red, the line style is dashed. Okay, afterwards you can see that the line width is 4, means if you will specify the line width at as 4, then the width of the line, this much thickness will be there. If you want to change the thickness as 2 and the line style dash, you want to change, you want to make the changes as the dotted. Here it is specified dotted. So if you will write dotted here, then the line style will be of dotted sort of. You have to see the changes now. So you can see the changes here, it is dot 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 dot, and the line style thickness is this much. So if it will not be clear, just you mention one thing, it remain as dashed. Now you can see the changes there. Thickness will be reduced now. In the earlier graph the thickness was more. If you want to change again the thickness, you don't like this many thickness, then it can be increased. Like if I'll put the value as 8, then you can see the changes over here about the line width. So see over here, and this is the dashed one. The dashed line style will appear in that very way. Okay. 3 more things you have to notice over here. X label will have the value as over, because you have mentioned over here the X label as over, the Y label as run scored, and the title of the graph overwise runs scored, and in the next line India versus England. Clear? And so you can see here automatically the line chart is plotting onto the screen. Only you need to change the coding. Okay, so this is about the line width, line style. Next we had seen about the marker size, marker edge color, as well as the marker. Okay, so if I will put the marker as the +1, plus data points will be coming, as I have written over here. The marker will be given as, means data, now in the earlier graph the data points was not coming, but this time marker equal to plus, this will be coming. And of course R red, if you want to change it with yellow, you can change it. Marker size means this very size, the marker is given as the plus symbol, so plus will be coming as the data points, along with the size of the marker is 10. And then the marker edge color equal to blue. That means whatever the marker size will be coming, that's edge color would be blue. Okay, and at last plt dot show. Without if you are forgetting to give the plt dot show, then it won't appear, the graph won't appear. It will be created, but it will not be displayed onto the screen. So yes, you can see, you have to pay attention how the marker size and marker edge blue color is coming. So let us run this program and see the differences with the earlier graph. Yes, now 3 things you have to notice here. We have changed the color of the line as yellow, so it is coming in the yellow color. The marker is coming with the plus 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 symbol wherever the data points are there. The data points you can see here, at the place of 10 points the B value is 65. So at the 10 the B value is 65. This very y axis wherever the data points are coming is of 65. In the case of 20, when the x axis value is 20, it is 98. So you can see the data points here, that means this very value is of 98 points. So rest of the marker is coming in that very way. In earlier graph the marker was not coming, but the graph was correct. Okay. So and the marker size you have specified as 10 and the marker edge color as B. So you can see here marker edge color as well as the marker size. Okay. So if you want to change the marker, as I told you, you can refer to the book to see the different style of the marker. Suppose I want to make it as a cross, then the data points will be coming in the cross way. Wherever the data points will be there, it will be coming as the cross one. Marker size I am writing over here as 5. Marker edge color is blue. This time I want to make it as red. So you just see the changes here. Yes. Line color was yellow, so it was coming as yellow. The cross, that marker size is getting reduced over here with the color red, as well as the marker edge color is coming as the red one. So in this way you can see the changes onto the graph. Now I don't want to see this cross. There is the letter capital D for display the marker as diamond. Okay, so you can see diamond shape. You are knowing how to display this diamond shape. So the markers will be displayed in the form of diamond. Yes, see the marker edge color was red, so the edge color is only changes with the red color. Rest of the thing I am not going to change, so that is why these things are remains for X label, for Y label, for title, and for the different set of markers. So this you need to practice it, how the line style, the marker size, marker edge color will be changed when you will draw the line chart onto the graph. This is very 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 important, because the X label, the Y label, the plot, they show the last year in the last year's sample paper it was given. So you need to practice it, but before that you need to install the Matplotlib libraries. So that's all for today's class. We will see rest of the things of the line chart in the next video class. Till then, you take care yourself. Bye bye.